How to stop a Spotify from adding songs to your playlist. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly, what you have to do to stop a Spotify from adding songs to your playlist is you can go to your firstly you have to open your Spotify app, and then what you can do is you have to simply create a you have to create a playlist. So let's see, I want to create a playlist. So firstly, what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots of the any of these songs, and then you can click on the add to playlist, or and after clicking on the add to playlist you can also create a new playlist by clicking on the new playlist, and then you can add the and you can give the playlist your name, and then click on the create button, and it will be created and added to this playlist. Now what you have to do is when you added you have there is some issue that if you have some only some songs to your playlist, it means less than 15 songs on your playlist. Here you can see I have only one songs in my playlist, so there will be problem that and if you are in the free version, then the Spotify will be start adding the songs automatically to your playlist. So you have to add songs at least add at least 15 songs to solve this issue. So when you add 15 songs, then the Spotify stop this, and now you can enjoy this the music. So what you can do is you can add songs by clicking on the add songs, and you can search the song and then you can add it like this. You can add any of the songs, you can add the song that you want. And after adding the songs, so please make sure that you have added the 15 songs, and after adding the 15 songs, when you go here, then here you can see there is almost um, up to 15 songs. Now what you have to do is you have to do this process. So firstly you have to create a playlist, and then you have to add something 15 songs to your playlist. So you have to so you don't have to add less than 15. If you do this, then the Spotify will start adding the songs to your playlist. So that's basically it, that how you can solve this issue. You have to add the 15 songs to your playlist. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. I appreciate it.